The universe is such a big place, yet we're such a tiny, tiny being compared to it. For some people, that's really reassuring, but for others, it could be frightening, and they just want out. But today I'd like to show a little small portion of what you could learn and explore out there, and perhaps maybe I can ease up your fear, even have fun from it. And hopefully learning and exploring out there, the new world out there, will become a pleasurable experience for you.
Wow! Whoa! Phew. Whoa, boy, you scared me. Hi, my name is Onionman, and today we're gonna... Oh wait, I think we're forgetting about someone. I wonder who it is. Oh, look who's here.
Hi, my name is Red the Robot.
Hi, Reg the Robot. He's my friend. He's an old mate. I've had him since a long time. Right?
Yeah, we're a good friend.
Alright. Now, do you know what we're gonna do today, Reg the Robot?
I sure think that they were gonna rob the street.
Okay, I'll explain it. Today, we're gonna go into this, friend's house. And we're going to explore in the kitchen.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, sure does.
But wait, what's a kitchen?
Well, a kitchen is... Do you guys know what a kitchen is? That's right. A kitchen is a place where it has foods and you fill your tum-tum and make the foods edible and all that good stuff, you know?
Yeah, that sounds fun. I'm hungry, oh boy.
Yeah, me too. So let's head out into this friend's house and explore the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh boy, am I excited.
Whoa, it's a big house.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, wow, I think this is the kitchen, guys. And wow, do you know where the food is, Reg?
Oh, I think it's in that white box over there.
Yup. This white box is what we fellas call the refrigerator. The refrigerator. The refrigerator.
What does it do?
Well, it keeps the food cold and not go bad, so it tastes good.
That's pretty interesting.
Now let's go in here. See some of the foods that we eat.
What is this? It's a white, round thing with a hard shell on the top.
Well, this is called an egg. It's got a lot of proteins in it. It builds great muscles. But don't eat the shell because it doesn't taste good.
I'll keep that in mind.
Now let's go over here. What is this? It's an orange drink, it looks like.
It smells like orange.
Ah, and that must be an orange juice. Orange juice is a juice that comes when you squeeze an orange.
That sounds yummy.
Sure is. It's got a lot of vitamin C's in it, too. Alright. I think this is a milk. It's a white fluid.
What's a milk?
It's a juice that comes from cows, and it has a lot of thing called calcium.
Calcium? I've heard of that.
Yeah, it grows your bones, and it makes you healthy. That's one of the things you want to drink, not a soda.
Okay, that sounds good.
Now over here we got a lot of things, but wow, what is this?
that's
Do you know what it is? That's right, that's a cheese stick. It's a stick of cheese. Fun fact, this is made as the same thing as the milk. It's basically hard milk.
wow, that's amazing.
And another thing made of milk is over here. It's called a yogurt. Now it's a bit more softer than a cheese stick, but it's more sweeter.
That's interesting.
Alright, what do we got next? Oh, I think these are veggies. These are greens. Very healthy. There's a little stick in here. I think this is a...
This is a celery.
You're right, Reg. This is a celery. It's got that tasty green sticks with a lot of lines in it. Very good. Smells good too. What do we got over here? It's an orange hard stick. It looks like a root.
I think this is a carrot, guys.
Yep, this is a carrot, another vegetable. But it's not green, it's orange and hard and long. Alright. Alright, what?
It hurts.
No! Rag the robot, what's wrong?
I don't feel so good. Onion Man.
Don't go. What can I do before you go?
Before I go away, I want you to make a song.
Song about what? Anything for you, Reg the robot.
I want you to make a song about our adventure in the kitchen, but the fun we had and the memories.
Of course. Anything. I'll make a song, of course, about our fun memory. Just don't go.
I'm afraid it's too late for that. Just make the song, please. For the children.
This is for you, Reg the robot. Our adventures. The fun we had. The discoveries we made. I'll put it all in this song for you. Eggs are white and round with a hard shell. Orange juices are squeezed from oranges. But milks are squeezed from cows. And cheese sticks are made from the milk juice. And yogurt's the same, but it's softer and sweet. Now celery's green and healthy. And carrots, orange, hard and long.
All these adventures, hey. All these adventures of Reg and Onionman, yay. Adventures. It was a lot of fun in a friend's house. Yeah. Yeah, it was a fun adventure time in the kitchen. Yay!
How was that, guys? Well, I hope that was educational for you, and I hope Reg is happy with the song I made. Rest in peace, Reg. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next episode of Reg the Robot and Onionman, or maybe just Onionman, because he's gone now in the first episode. Alright. Catch you later, buddy.